In a land where shadows whisper and twilight never fades, a kingdom lost in darkness where doom and fear pervades. The air is thick with sorrow, the sky a void of night. In this dark fantasy, there's no escape inside. Eclipse of doom, when nightmares come alive. In this realm of darkness, no one can survive. Fallen hopes and broken dreams, lost within the shade. In this dark fantasy, our destinies are made. Wandering through the wasteland where shadows glow and light, cursed by ancient evils, by my endless night. The moon is but a specter, the stars are cold and dead. In this dark fantasy, where only fear is fed. Eclipse of doom, when nightmares come alive. In this realm of darkness, no one can survive. Fallen hopes and broken dreams, lost within the shade. In this dark fantasy, our destinies are made. No heroes in the shadows, no light to pierce the gloom. In this twisted soul, we're marching to our doom. Every step is haunted, every breath a sigh. In this dark kingdom, even hope can die. Eclipse of doom, when nightmares come alive. In this realm of darkness, no one can survive. Fallen hopes and broken dreams, lost within the shade. In this dark fantasy, our destinies are made. Now the darkness deepens, and the final chapter nears. In the cell of sorrow, we face our deepest fears. In the end we're shadows, lost to doom's embrace. In this dark